Bowman Termite and Pest Management, our bird netting is heavy-duty polyethylene bird netting used to humanely block birds from entering unwanted areas. We recommend and use 3/4-inch bird netting to effectively stop birds from nesting. Our netting stops all birds, sparrows, pigeons, starlings, mynas, and more. 40+ break strength, UV stabilized, rot-proof, waterproof, and comes with a 10-year manufacturer guarantee. The netting creates a physical barrier to prevent birds from landing or nesting. We install netting in commercial, industrial, and residential areas.